Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. Please click subscribe, flex your little finger muscle, and hit subscribe to help my little channel grow so I can keep providing you value and all the information that you need to know about me, my channel, this video, the timestamps. If you want to jump to something, you don't want to watch the whole thing, click the description. All the information is in the description below. It's either a little down arrow if you're on your laptop or 3 little dots if you're on your phone. All right, let's get right into this review. What is it? Affiliate Nation or High Ticket Nation is what we are reviewing today. It is a done-for-you affiliate marketing program using the digital franchise model, which means you'll need to pay into this business and then you will be selling the same thing to other people. They focus on selling travel memberships. So basically you're going to be selling travel memberships as an affiliate for a travel company, and then everybody who you sign up is then going to be selling travel memberships as well. Every time you make a sale, you get money. Every time the people you signed up make a sale, you get a little bit of money too. Just want to give a quick shout out to my source here. It's thataffiliatelife.com. It's a really good blog for all things affiliate marketing related. Again, that's thataffiliatelife.com. That's the source I'm using here to give you guys this screen. So who was it created by? There's several different product and course owners: Jordan Rousey, Shane Carling, Dylan Alari, David Tratchell, Michael Mosino, Justin Cartwright. There's like a whole group of dudes, all with years of marketing and sales experience, who created this product and course. So what's different about it? The biggest difference is that it's basically the only course out there that I know that's just showing you how to focus on selling a membership with a travel club specifically. So it's the digital franchise model. And basically a franchise is a business that somebody has already built and you just pay into it and then sell that business under the people who have already built the business and get a cut. The travel club that you are selling memberships to is the Unified Travel Club. So you likely get to have a membership to this travel club as well, or not likely, you have to get a membership to this travel club and then sell it. So you do get a membership to a travel club, which is pretty cool because you get lots of discounts and hotel, resort stay discounts and stuff like that. That's really different than most courses. So what's included? You first go through this little webinar. It's not very long. It's like 20 or 25 minutes, and you get some information about what the training is about. Then the training teaches you how to run ads online in the extremely competitive travel niche. They've partnered with a company called Unified Travel Club, which we already went over, and the membership to Unified Travel Club offers to let you know every time there's a discount available on things like luxury vacations in exchange for a monthly subscription. And so you pay monthly and then you get all these deals. So it's kind of like a timeshare in a way, where you pay first in order to get lots of deals, and that is what you are promoting to other people. It does include tons of done for you sales funnels, an automated marketing system, done for you advertising, done for you sales, and client management. So they do a ton of it for you. You don't have to be technical and know how to build funnels and advertise it, ads and stuff like that. So a lot of stuff is done for you, which usually means that you're going to pay a pretty high price. So how does it work? Basically, it's a high ticket affiliate marketing program and training that is mostly done for you. You find a great product to sell, in this case, a travel membership. You have a great sales funnel. In this case, they create them for you. They advertise them for you, and they actually do sales and client management for you as well. You generate leads through digital advertising. You will have to spend some money on ads. You close sales, and then you collect an ongoing commission. And it sounds like they help you with all of that. So who is this for? If you're just looking for an overall practical affiliate marketing course, there are better and cheaper alternatives. But if you are very passionate about the travel niche and want to become an affiliate marketer for it without having to do much work, then this would be for you. Also, if you don't mind if it takes a little longer to start seeing real money, because the travel industry is not at its full capacity right now, so you need to have some patience. Who is it not for? Like I said, if you're just looking for an overall practical affiliate marketing course, there are better and cheaper alternatives. Pros: there is a very high earning potential once travel kicks back up. So since travel is not as popular as it usually is right now, you have less competition and time to build your business up. So you can see that as a pro. And you won't have to do much or be very techy, since it's all mostly done for you. Cons: they promise a bonus at the end of the webinar and then they don't give it to you, so that's kind of weird. And then since everything is done for you, you're not really going to learn how to be an affiliate marketer because everything's just done for you. So if their business goes out of business, you're going to have to start all over and you're not really going to know how. So there's not a whole lot of longevity in this company, and they are really only showing you how to promote one product, which kind of sucks because there's so many hundreds and thousands of good quality products out there that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. Also, the product that you are promoting is high ticket, which means it's going to be hard to get sales, especially if you are a beginner. And they're showing you mainly how to do paid ads, which means you're going to have to have a large budget in order to get sales. It also means it's not totally passive, because once you stop paying for ads and stop monitoring your paid ads, your sales are going to stop. Also, another con: it's very expensive. So you have to get on a sales call to find out how much it costs, which usually means it's like over a few $1,000s. According to their ads and their webinar, you'll be earning commissions of up to $2,500 a sale, which means you're going to be promoting a service that costs around $5,000 because you usually make 50%. It sounds amazing, but it's a lot harder to make a sale when the price tag is that high. You got to have major marketing skills, major presence online, and you usually have to speak with somebody over the phone to sell them. Testimonials and other reviews. There are some other reviews that are good, but I'm a little bit wary of them because they could be from affiliates for this program, which means that they earn a commission if you buy their product using their link, so they might be a little bit biased. Guarantees and refunds. There is a 14-day money-back refund policy on all products or services inside the Affiliate Nation website. That means that if you're buying a system that belongs to Unify Travel Club, you'll have to ask about a separate refund policy for them, so be careful of that. So what does it cost? It's likely around $5,000. I don't actually know 100% because I didn't get on a sales call and I didn't buy it, but they say all over their webinar and everything that you're going to be making $2,500 commissions. So it's likely around $5,000 since you're going to be promoting the same product. You do have to get on a sales call to find out the price, which usually means at least a few $1,000s. My final thoughts: the travel niche is always going to be a great niche. Even with a pandemic, people are still going to find a way to travel. You might actually have the best time to build a travel niche business up before the competition comes back, but it's very, very, very expensive. Also, everything is done for you, so if they go out of business, so do you. And there's not much training for the high ticket price. So my final verdict, I cannot recommend this program. It's way too expensive for what you get. For that much money, you should be getting all that done for you stuff as well as training on how to do it yourself. The fact that they're only teaching you about one niche and one product is a little bit silly. For that price, they should be teaching you all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing with all different kinds of products available to you. The high ticket commission is tempting, but it's going to be really extremely hard to get anyone to pay that much for a membership, especially if you're just starting out. You're going to have to be very patient and trust that these guys will build up your sales funnels enough to get you there and do good enough marketing for you. That's just too much trust placed in someone else that you don't even know. And plus, if they go out of business, so do you, because they never really taught you how to do any of it yourself. There is a course that teaches you step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business in around 10 minutes per day. It also gives you tons of done for you stuff, templates, websites, email copy, paid advertising, free advertising. They also give you an entire second account so that you can do it with someone else, like a family member or a friend. And it's actually affordable, especially if you split it with somebody else. It's the course I recommend. It's linked in the description below. Thank you for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.